Hi, EOS Implementer community. I'm Alex Freytag, your host for the EOS Conference in Orlando in April. And Pam asked me to put together a short video, and I'll try to be short, that shares a little bit of some of the strategies I've used to help my clients understand the value of the conference and encourage them to register for the conference because it's been working. So oftentimes, as you know, and I'll share three nuggets here, putting it on the issues list is kind of what we said in the past, and I found that to be somewhat intrusive to their agenda, and oftentimes they don't want to talk about my issues, they want to talk about their issues. So what I've done is a couple things. So the first one I call the flyer, the second one I call the annual, and the third one I call next level. And you can try any one of these or all of them or whatever, and I got a little bonus nugget as well. So the flyer is this. So if you download and print or have available to you from Basecamp these tools that are under the conference stuff on Basecamp, and always carry them with you if you're going to annuals or have them in your session room. And then during a break, you might say, hey, have you registered for the EOS conference, to the integrator or to the visionary, whoever you have like the best relationship with. And they may say, what's the EOS conference? And then you can go into the details of that. EOSconference.com is kind of the net where you want to get them to go to check it out. But you can walk through the agenda with them and the breakouts and so forth. Certainly emphasize, if they're 5 Dysfunctions of a Team fans, which ideally they all are, that Patrick Lencioni is a keynote this year along with Gino and a couple of others, and we have 50 breakouts and those kind of things. So that's one way to do it, sort of a one-to-one personal connection, and then leave them with the sort of the to-do to check it out and get registered. A few people is better because they can divide and conquer with the breakout sessions. The second one's called the annual. So you're in the middle of 5 Dysfunctions, you're teaching it, you're going up the pyramid, the model, and you might say something like, hey, did you guys know Patrick Lencioni is speaking at the EOS conference? Because a lot of these folks are just huge fans. And that might take you down the same conversation as before. You have your flyer or your postcard, and you get them to just leave with that with a to-do to sign up or go to EOSconference.com. And then the third one's called the next level, and this is often for companies that have gone in prior years and they decided we're not going to go this year because we went last time. And you can say, hey, this is a great LMA tool for your next level managers. Send 2 or 3 of them because they can split up and have sort of the mastermind effect when they get back, and they can download everything they learned to help the company strengthen their implementation of EOS. So that's the next level. And the bonus one, certainly, if somebody's really not interested in like traveling to Orlando or London in this case for next year, they can sign up for virtual registration and add on the $200, and they get 30 days of access to all the recorded content, which is huge. So there are 50 breakout sessions and there are 4 keynote speakers, and it's going to be awesome. So hopefully that's helpful for you. I've had some success with it, and I look forward to our QCE. For those of you coming to Tampa, I'll see you there. And if I don't see you in Tampa, I will see you in Las Vegas in February. Thank you, and take care.